Assalamu alaikum everybody. Today I have very big surprise for everyone because 2025 years is the best years in my life for me, and that is very happiest years for me because previous years may Allah give us and give me a lot of knowledge, okay, and experience. Now, Alhamdulillah, I'm very happy, and Alhamdulillah, may Allah give me good ability and knowledge, skill, everything. And in these years, I seem like, inshallah, I can become a successful person in my life. And I'm doing hard work, and I'm gonna tell you, everyone, please do hard work. Don't waste time, because if you give time, if you give the value of time, then the time will give you value, okay, and the time will give you a title. So that's why if you will give input, so time will give you output. This is my message for everyone. Deliver with friends and parents, with everyone. Thanks very much.